guys. Hi. So today we are going to do a mukbang.
I don't know what that is, but we are going to eat a lot
Yeah.
of food today.
So we ordered from
Mad Monkey.
Mad Monkey.
Hush, don't speak. When you spit your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach about your new messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire. I can't find your silver lining.